Deep in the heart of Lebanon, in the small yet ancient city of Baalbek, lies a mystery so colossal, so baffling, that it has puzzled historians, archaeologists, and engineers for centuries, a place where whispers of the past meet the silence of the present. Today, we unravel the enigma of the mysterious giant stones of Baalbek, stones so massive that even modern technology struggles to explain their existence. What if I told you some of these stones weigh more than the Statue of Liberty? What if I told you their purpose, their origin, and even the method of their placement remain shrouded in uncertainty? These are not just stones, they are monuments to a forgotten era, a whisper from a time when humanity achieved the unthinkable. But how and why? To understand the magnitude of this mystery, we need to travel back thousands of years to the ancient city of Heliopolis, the city of the sun. Baalbek, as we know it today, was a center of worship and reverence. The Romans, in their architectural splendor, constructed grand temples here, dedicated to Jupiter, Venus, and Mercury. But beneath these temples, hidden in plain sight, are stones that tell a story older and more enigmatic than the Romans themselves. Now let's get something straight. When I say big stones, I'm not talking about the kind you'd pick up on a hike to impress your friends. I'm talking about megaliths so massive, they make Mount Rushmore look like a Lego set. The crown jewel of Baalbek's mystery is the stone of the pregnant woman, or Hajar al-Hibla in Arabic. This single stone, this single block of limestone, weighs an estimated 1,000 tons. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 tons. To put that into perspective, that's equivalent to about 200 African elephants. But it doesn't stop there. Nearby lies another stone, recently unearthed, weighing approximately 1,650 tons. And if that doesn't leave you speechless, nothing will. But here's the kicker. These stones were quarried, carved, and moved over 2,000 years ago, without cranes, without trucks, without the convenience of modern machinery. So, how did they do it? Theories abound. Some suggest the use of ramps and rollers, leveraging manpower and ingenuity. Others propose alien intervention. Yes, you heard that correctly. But regardless of the theory, one fact remains undeniable. The precision with which these stones were carved and positioned is nothing short of miraculous. The margins of error are so small, it's as if the ancient builders had tools rivaling our modern lasers. But why would they go to such lengths? What purpose did these stones serve? Let's talk about the material itself. The stones of Baalbek are primarily made of limestone, quarried locally from nearby mountains. This isn't just any limestone, though. Its density and strength are remarkable, resistant to weathering and erosion. Yet moving these stones even a single inch would have required an astronomical amount of effort. So, why did ancient civilizations choose to work with such unforgiving material? Were they motivated by religious zeal, a need to prove their dominance, or something else entirely? Imagine standing at the quarry where these stones were carved. The silence is almost deafening, interrupted only by the wind that carries whispers of the past. Here lies evidence of a craftsmanship that defies logic. Chisel marks on the stones, perfectly symmetrical edges. It's as though the workers of old held a mastery of geometry that rivaled anything we see today. But how did they transport these stones from the quarry to the temple site, which lies nearly a kilometer away? Or maybe they were just trying to outdo their neighbors. Imagine the ancient version of, "Oh, your city has a big temple. Watch this." Over the centuries, Baalbek has seen empires rise and fall. The Phoenicians, the Greeks, the Romans, the Byzantines, the Arabs, each left their mark on this sacred site. Yet none could fully explain or replicate the work of their predecessors. Roman engineers, known for their architectural genius, built the Temple of Jupiter atop the megalithic platform. But even they, with their advanced techniques, marveled at the stones beneath. Could the answer lie in a forgotten technology? An ancient secret lost to time? Today, scientists and historians continue to study the stones of Baalbek, searching for clues. Some experiments have attempted to replicate the movement of such massive stones using ancient tools, but none have successfully demonstrated how it was done on this scale. The enigma endures. Could these stones have been part of an ancient energy grid, as some fringe theories suggest? Were they aligned with celestial bodies for ritualistic purposes? Or were they simply a display of power and influence to rival other ancient wonders? Each hypothesis opens new doors, yet leaves us with more questions than answers. And here's the most unsettling part. If we can't explain how it was done thousands of years ago, what other ancient secrets remain hidden, just waiting to be discovered? Baalbek's stones are more than just relics. They are a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and mystery. They challenge our understanding of history, forcing us to question what we think we know about the ancient world. So next time you stand before a great monument, remember this. Sometimes, the greatest wonders aren't just the structures themselves, but the untold stories hidden within their stones. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mysteries of the ancient world. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop wondering.